What's up, everybody? Where are we at, Joe?
Sirao Garden.
We're at Sirao Garden. Those guys are right down there. Check them out. Hey, say hi, everybody. Yeah, we got actually a whole group up here. Really cool. We're checking it out. Just beautiful space, beautiful scene. Look at that down there, man. Yep. What do you guys think?
Pretty cool.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, man.
Well, I got Benny over here. What's up, man? Thanks for putting this together. Really appreciate it, brother. Good times. Benny here. Benny's been here a little bit. He's doing his second scouting trip, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, looking to make the move come April. Yeah, so awesome. Yeah, really great. Yeah, so I'll put in a screenshot of the elevation because Benny was just asking me. So we're right about 2,000 feet. We're at kind of right in between Cebu and Sambalambon up the Trans Central Highway. Just a gorgeous scene. I mean, really spectacular out here. Yeah, just kind of wandering around. Wanted to show everyone this spot. It's kind of got a little bit of an Alice in Wonderland vibe to it. But up at, yeah, Sirao Garden. Yeah, really neat. All right, let's go wander around a little bit. Dig it. Riding the bike down there. Oh, man. Wow. Now these steps are a little bit steep. Shoo. Let's go down and see what these guys are up to. So yeah, we got what, I think 8 of us up here, or 7 of us, and you know, everyone's kind of been here just recently. There's great people. We've made a lot of friends.
I'm not ready. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Love it.
Oh, thank you, Joe.
This place is cool.
Yeah,
Yeah.
good. Yeah, let's go. Oh, nice. Oh, I like this seat. Oh, what is that?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's really nice.
Looks like it might rain on us here, huh? Oh wow. These are real flowers, aren't they?
I thought that was real people.
Same.
It's not real.
Flowers are amazing here.
Oh, how about this here?
What's that?
This.
Go check it out. Okay. What is it up there? Just a little viewing area?
It's a little photo booth.
Yeah. Oh, I love this tree growing out of the hand. Yeah. Wow. Great view up here. Little Amsterdam, little garden area. Yeah, so just a place you can take a lot of photos and chill out, right?
Yes.
Yeah, pretty cool.
Yeah.
You liking it?
Yeah, I like the garden.
Yeah.
I ate some of the flowers.
You ate some of the flowers? Are they lemmy?
Sour.
Sour, huh?
Yes, it's a good one.
Oh, cool. Cool. Yeah.
Yeah,
So it's really cool, isn't it? Really unique?
yeah, very quiet. So there's another garden far up ahead.
Yeah, another garden area
Yeah.
up there.
Yeah, but it's so crowded.
Right, right.
Right here, you're only few people.
Yep. Is that looks like lavender, right?
I don't
No.
know.
Huh. And that's some kind of what the heck is that growing on that plant?
Oh yeah, that weird looking. What's that?
I have no idea.
Yeah, it's cute though.
They look like some kind of alien growing on
No,
there,
It looks like a mini spaceship, alien spaceship.
right?
Look at that Volkswagen bus over there.
Oh man, let's go check that out. Ah, really cool.
Looks like it's got benches
Right? We're gonna check out the VW bus. Oh wow, big butterfly. I can't believe these steps here.
Steeper going down, huh?
What's that?
Steeper going down.
Yeah.
Pretty butterfly.
Yeah. Really beautiful butterfly. Wow.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Yeah. Oh, how do we get down there, Joe? Over.
Here, on the other side.
I think, or this way maybe.
Ah, wait. The hand.
Let's crawl up the hand.
Yes.
You first, Joe.
Oh my god.
Wow. Is it scary up there?
I don't know.
I don't know if I'm gonna like it.
I'll hold you.
Oh, you're so sweet. Oh, yeah, it's kind of cute.
Ah,
I kind of weigh a lot. Should I jump up and down?
yeah. No. Please don't.
Yeah. Well, that's kind of cool.
No other hand will catch us.
Right, right.
If we fall.
All right, let's check it out. Let's check out the bus down there.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
1, 2. There you go.
Yeah,
Thank
thanks,
you.
baby. Go ahead, babe. You might want to go down. Yeah.
Yeah.
Huh? Not too bad, actually.
It's like going down. Not like.
It is. You good, babe?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah. How the hell do I want to do that? Hey, Joe, you mind freeing up my hand there? Thank you.
Yeah, hold it on the bar.
Yeah. There we go. Thank you, baby. Check out the bus. Is that a way down there, or is that the way the water goes?
Yeah, I think that's the water goes.
Okay. Yeah, let's go up this way. Please. Yes. Let's keep wandering around, see what we got here. Wow. Yeah, really beautiful umbrella or butterfly. Yeah, an old Volkswagen Bug here. Yeah, I used to have a old Bug. I love that little car. I was getting ready to swap out the engine when I moved to Florida. Or I'm sorry, when I moved to Colorado in the late 90s. I had just bought an engine I was going to build out. I think it was a 1971 Super Beetle. So, yeah, pretty neat. All right, let's go down and check out the rest of the area.
Are there fishes in the fish spot?
I don't remember seeing I don't know if there's fish in there.
Yeah.
I don't remember. Did you grab those to see if they smell like jasmine
Jasmine?
or lavender? I mean, probably not. That might be the non-fragrant.
Yeah, I don't smell any. Can you please take me here?
Yeah, absolutely. Where at? Right by the butterfly? Oh yeah. There you go.
Smutty though.
Can you get in there or no? Or you don't have to.
Okay.
So cool. Looking good, babe. Yes, I got you. Let's see how that looks. Let's see how, one more.
Okay, wait.
One more. Yeah, I think we're good. I tried a couple different shots.
Thank you. Oh my god, this is...
This way to public toilet. You read my mind, sign. Yes. Puppy dog. Mm-hmm. Let's see what we got here, huh? Cool VW bus. A shell of one anyways. Oh, wow. Yeah, just a overall, just a neat kind of little area.
Shaggy. Shaggy.
It looks,
like a shaggy dog.
yeah, it kind of reminds me of Little Orphan Annie dog.
Hey, Chukoy, come back.
That sun's coming out, isn't it?
Yup.
Amazing what,
Heat as soon as the sun hits.
amazing what that does, right? As soon as that sun comes out, bam.
You'll get your tan.
Yes, I need to. Yeah, whew. It is. Yeah, the sun came right out and heated us right up. I do have a hat, but it's in my bag. Hi. Hi, beautiful, huh?
Yes. Enjoy.
Yeah, it's you guys too.
Yes. Sit here, okay.
Oh, beautiful. We can't wait to check it out. That's what I mean, guys. You know, just everyone's so, you know, it just rubs off on you. The friendly atmosphere here and the friendly people. You know, we adapt. I'm becoming more and more friendlier. Although Joe wishes I'd be a lot more friendlier, right, Joe? No, I'm just joking. Ah, that's cool.
Oh wow.
Alright,
Nice.
tell me when.
That's amazing.
When?
Alright, I'm gonna do another one. Ready?
I'm gonna zoom in.
All right, guys, check this out. We're going up this hand.
Oh my god.
Look at the view out there. Wow, just beautiful. How's it going up there, Joe? Are you liking the climb? Not so bad?
Yeah.
Okay, good. I'm glad to hear that.
Down.
Right?
Okay.
Wow, pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, that's scary.
Right?
Okay.
Yeah, pretty good view.
Careful.
Yeah, yeah,
When-
yeah. Pretty good view. Yeah.
Okay.
All right, let's take some pictures.
Yeah.
Woo, now that's up there. Yeah,
Very good.
check it out. Oh, there's a goat over there.
Huh?
There's a goat and a cow
Where?
right over there. There's a there's a cow over there. Yeah, cool. All right, we're gonna wander around here a little bit more and then probably go get some lunch at the top of the Cebu, so we'll be right back. All right, guys, we're here at the top of the Cebu. We got a group of people here with us and just having a good time out today, checking it out. Beautiful restaurant. You can look out to the left. I think I can show you the view of the town. Yeah, you know what? Let's step out. Show you guys real quick. Yeah, look at the view out here. Really beautiful. We shot a video out here before. Really beautiful area. And the food here is all right. It's not too bad. You know, we'll do. I'll do a copy of the menu and put it in. But yeah, really spectacular view of the city here. I'm not sure how far the camera will go out and see, but you can see that island there. There's Lapu-Lapu, of course, Cebu area right here. Walk down, show you a little bit more of the city in this corner. Again, we're at the restaurant Top of Cebu. Shout out to Benny who arranged a vhire to kind of take us all through town. Yeah, you can see the bridge down there, looking great. Yeah, really good views from up here. So, good times. We're gonna order some food. I'll show you guys around. Yeah, everyone here watches the channel, so it's really kind of fun and kind of seeing this community growing up and you know, everyone becoming friends. So it's just awesome. I don't know if you can hear it, but there's Christmas music playing. Yeah, Christmas starts in September here. We were just talking about that. But yeah, let's go back to the table. Guys, what's up everybody? Back up here at the Temple Leia. Beautiful weather day. We just had lunch there at the restaurant. Now we're just checking it out here. So beautiful. Really great, gorgeous weather day. I'd been up here a couple times. You know, it's just up the mountain, maybe, you know, whatever, half hour outside the city. But, you know, just really neat scene up here too. So, I'm gonna show you guys the view. Check this view out. This is a really great view of the city. Got Lapu-Lapu out there. See all the Cebu. It's gorgeous, gorgeous. Yep, so we're actually here with a group of guys. So really beautiful, nice. Shout out again to you, Benny, for putting this all together. Now, supposedly what this is about here, this gentleman that we're at the Temple of Leia, he built this as a memorial for his wife. And so yeah, here we are. It's kind of dark in there, so I don't think I'll shoot more, and there's music playing up there, but yeah, the inside there's you know, just a big statue, and I know they're doing some renovating, so it's hard to kind of get in there and see stuff, but yeah, it's really unique area, and really what I like about it is just the view up here. But, all right, we'll be back in a minute with some more stuff, so be right back.